Hi Asad, I'm Biplav speaking about the issue is you sent the sheet about Bradley Caldwell, a new supplier, and here's the detail and instruction, and we do as your instruction and download the Invent 5 full Excel file. And when we got the file and see that, we see this file and we see that on the file as your instruction you said that as a note, remove anything in the column with a n is restricted for e-commerce sales. So when you look at the file and see the n is this, and try to move out all this column, but when you remove all this column there have no one remain. So that's the issue actually. And how can we get any product from here, and what is the problem is, just see it.